All right, dog lovers, gather around. Today we're diving into the world of the top 12 dog breeds with the best sense of smell. These canine super sniffers have noses that put our human noses to shame. So, let's get started. Number 12, the Bloodhound. This breed is often called a nose with a dog attached. With around 300 million scent receptors, Bloodhounds can follow trails over 300 hours old. Their long ears and wrinkled skin help trap scent particles, making them the ultimate trackers. Next up, at number 11, is the Basset Hound. They're like the shorter cousins of Bloodhounds, with about 220 million scent receptors. Their long ears and low-to-the-ground build make them perfect for tracking small game over long distances. Number 10, the German Shepherd. These dogs are not just smart and trainable, but they also have around 225 million scent receptors. German Shepherds are used in police work, search and rescue, and even to detect medical conditions. Talk about versatility. Coming in at number 9 is the Beagle. Don't let their size fool you. They've got about 225 million scent receptors packed into their small noses. Beagles are perfect for detection work in sensitive environments like airports and are even used to detect certain cancers. Number 8, the Belgian Malinois. With around 225 million scent receptors, these dogs are known for their work ethic and agility. They're popular in military and police units for detecting everything from explosives to electronic devices. At number 7, we have the Labrador Retriever. These friendly dogs have around 220 million scent receptors and excel in various detection roles, from finding drugs to detecting low blood sugar levels in diabetics. Labs are truly all-rounders. Number 6 is the Coonhound. With about 230 million scent receptors, these dogs can follow cold trails through all kinds of terrain. Their ability to track scents that are several days old makes them invaluable for search and rescue operations. Next up, number 5, the English Springer Spaniel. With around 220 million scent receptors, these energetic dogs are fantastic at detecting contraband and human remains. They're particularly prominent in customs and border security work. Number 4, the Dachshund. These little sausage dogs have about 125 million scent receptors and were originally bred to hunt badgers. Their keen nose makes them surprisingly effective at scent-based activities. At number 3, we have the Pointer. With around 220 million scent receptors, pointers can detect game birds from impressive distances. Their air scenting ability makes them valuable for certain types of detection work beyond hunting. Number 2, the Blue-Tick Coonhound. With about 230 million scent receptors, these hounds are exceptional at following old trails through challenging terrain. Their cold nose ability is perfect for search and rescue in wilderness settings. And finally, number 1, the Red-Bone Coonhound. With around 230 million scent receptors, these dogs are amazing at tracking through water and dense vegetation. Their versatile scenting abilities make them invaluable for search and rescue operations. There you have it. The top 12 dog breeds with the best sense of smell. These exceptional sniffers are truly one of nature's wonders. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing dogs, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more pawsome content. Catch you next time.